Familiarize yourself with the 2012 Jeep Compass. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, a roof rack, and cruise control. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.